Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to see how to jack your vehicle in case you need a tire replacement, or if you need another maintenance. We will be looking at how to jack your vehicle. We'll be looking at points to jack and safety procedures to be followed when lifting your vehicle up. So the first thing you do is to find your jack. Jack is usually placed in the trunk of your vehicle. It will usually be placed in the trunk. Open the trunk, and under the carpet you will find the jack, and spare tire will be also located there. For this demonstration we will be using this scissor jack. So we will be using this scissor jack. It is called so because it operates like a scissor. When it is lifted up, it will be moving like a scissor shape. So we will be using this scissor jack to lift up this vehicle. Before you jack your vehicle, it will be a good idea to put it in gear and also apply emergency parking brake. Let's do that. So pull your parking brake and put it in gear. It's also a good idea to put chocks under the tires so that the vehicle will not move. Previously on a fixed ladder type suspension it will be no problem, but on this type you will be having fixed spots for lifting. For example, this is the rear tire. If you are planning to replace the rear tire, you should be lifting your vehicle right here. If you are going to change your front tire, you should be lifting right here. See, there is a lift spot prepared just for this purpose. You should be jacking up at that spot. Now for this demonstration, let's jack up the front wheel. Make sure that the jack is in very nice shape. Make sure that the pivots are rigid and strong. Also make sure that there are no damaged these, and make sure that this locking mechanism is also functional. Then place it right here. Make sure it grabs and gets the handle and crank. It will also be a very good idea to loosen the bolts. Just loosen it a little so that it will not be rotating when you remove it later once the vehicle is lifted up. Chock your vehicle with some solid. Now let's proceed to jacking up the vehicle. Make sure you have a rigid and solid ground where you can mount the jack. Now it's free, so we can remove the tire. So this is how you remove your tire. So next time you have a problem with tire, and if you are having problem, this is how you remove. So you take your spare tire, and installing will be a similar step. All you have to do is align the bolts, align these holes. Then you might need to wiggle it a little so that everything aligns. Put it in, and then put the tapered side on the inside. Install all of them. Then once it is done, lower your jack. Then you will be good to go. So this is how you jack up your vehicle once you have a problem. Now all we are left with to tighten these bolts. The tire nuts, they should be tightened, torqued to the specification once the vehicle tire reaches on the ground. So this is how you remove your tire, and this is how you replace a tire. And this is how you use a scissor jack, in case you have a scissor jack. So don't forget the places for jack. One is here. Here we have one place right behind the front wheel, and similarly here we have another place right in front of the rear tire, and we have same thing on the other side as well. Right here for the rear wheel, and right here for the front wheel. This is how you replace your tire. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you in this presentation. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you like this video, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.